I have to stop at the ATM first. It's a late start today. It's like almost like 2 o'clock, right? 2, 3 o'clock. Just now getting out. And I'm not about to do anything special. I had to come get some laundry detergent because I'm washing clothes. And unfortunately, I started the load. And literally it was only enough for that load. So I gotta come get some of that stuff, some cleaning stuff. And yeah. I'm not doing anything else. I'm gonna finish up cleaning up too today. I'm gonna clean the bathroom finally. Clean the bathroom upstairs. And that's about it. Y'all done forgot what I came in here for. So I'm gonna get this medication real quick. Cause other than that, I totally forgot. I wrote a list and everything. I can't remember. Y'all know how sometimes you just not feeling something. I am not feeling cleaning up. Like, alright, look, I'm gonna bust my stuff. They got perfume bottles going down the stairs. I'm not feeling like cleaning up. But I'm gonna continue to do my laundry. Let me show y'all what I got. Oh, I don't want y'all to see this kitchen. This kitchen's so, it's bad in here. And these people in this house, they don't care. These people in this house do not care. Let's pick this up. This, some shout, ammonia, Ajax, SOS pads. I scrub my tub and stuff with SOS pads. I got most of this from Dollar Tree too. We all just got the Ajax, the SOS pads, Ajax. The Ajax, the SOS pads, and ammonia from, and this Lifestyle from Dollar Tree. I always buy these plastic shower curtains from Dollar Tree. I like to change my shower curtains like every week, so I always gotta get some of these. Towels to clean the tub and stuff out with. I want to put some of this on the floor. My son got the floor smell like what the. And I grabbed this, and that's it. Grabbed a couple of other things. This upstairs, and I'm not gonna go get it. I don't feel like doing this. Oh, and I got that prescription from my son. His little EpiPens. That's it. People in here laying down like they just have nothing in life to do. There's nothing to do. But if I was to take y'all in my basement, y'all would be like, oh, they got plenty. They got days and days worth of work to do. So I needed to get out the house. Being a parent is something else. If you are a parent, then you know. And if you're a parent with teenagers, you really know. Like, I have to leave out the house, not only because I love to get out the house every day, but at this moment, I was just like, I need to breathe. I need some fresh air because I am literally getting so tired of telling my kids the same things over and over and over again. Like, it's like, if they're not tired of me saying it, I'm tired of saying the same things. Like, I shouldn't be, telling you to clean up. That's something that you know you have to do. You know you have chores. Just do it. And that's really all that they have to do. Besides taking care of themselves and, doing the necessary things that you do on a day-to-day basis. And it's just like, kids just don't get it. Like, they just don't. I love my babies. I love my babies to peace. I love my babies bunches, but child, when I tell you, I'm just like, I don't want to do nothing today. I don't want to do nothing. Because as well as like me seeing the mess, y'all see the mess as well. Why can't you help your mother? Why can't you help out in general? And just be like, okay, well, the kitchen is messy. I'm going to clean it up. I know my mom hates that. I know my parents don't like the house to be messy. So, they're always cleaning up. So, like, let me help them out. And then they just don't think like, sometimes, don't get me wrong, I don't want to do my babies like that. Sometimes they have went out their way to just do the right thing and clean and, stuff without us having to tell them to do it. I just wish they did it all the time. So I'm out. getting me some fresh air, and I'm about to get some Culver's. I don't know if you can see the sign in the back, but I'm at Culver's. And yeah, give me something to eat. I'm gonna chill out, relax, probably go enjoy some type of beautiful view out here. One thing I love about where I stay is there's a ton of places you can just pull up to, and it's so pretty, so beautiful, and relaxing. So y'all drop in the comments, tell me what y'all did today. Tell me what made your day. Tell me if you relaxed today, if you're at peace today, or even if your kids got on your nerves. Let me know. Tell me what y'all did. I feel like I wasn't too productive today, but that's okay. And honestly, I might still clean tonight, and if I do, you guys will know about it tomorrow. So I'm gonna end this little vlog here, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow.